Hey everybody, it's Miss Jackie and Miss Casey from the Ludington Library Junior Room, and we're here to do a craft with you today for Halloween. It's a spooky time of year. We're gonna make roly-poly pumpkins for you. And you can use your imagination as much as you want to make it look any way you want. These are two-sided, so you can flip them over. You can make one side scary and one side fun, or you can make both sides scary. It's up to you. Whatever you want to do. So the supplies are very simple. All you need is scissors, glue dots or glue. We are working with already colored paper plates, which are very easy to find in any color. So we have orange and black plates right here. But you can use regular white plates if you want and just color them orange if you'd like. We're trying to make this as easy as possible. All right, so you're going to put the paper plates, the bigger ones, back to back, and that's how you're gonna work them. So you're gonna decorate the fronts that are orange to look like a pumpkin face, and you can use anything you have around the house. You can use construction paper, you can use felt, you can use paper plates, anything you want to glue on as a face you can do. It's very simple. And you can use any design you want. You can make the eyes look like anything you want. The mouth, the nose, you can give it hair, you can give it earrings, anything you want to do. It's up to you. Your imagination can run wild. You can make it look like a cat, you can make it look like a bird, you can make it look like anything you want it to look like. We're going to cut out mouth, eyes, and nose. And here's a little trick that I've learned. If you want to make the eyes exactly the same shape and exactly the same size, you're going to cut out the middle of your paper plate. You're going to fold it in half, and you're going to cut whatever shape you want for the eyes, and then that way you'll have two exactly the same. Alright, so when you cut it out, it looks like this. And you always cut from the folded side up so that when you open it, they're connected, and you just cut it in half at the line. And you get glue dots and you put them on your plate. What are you making yours look like? Spooky. Spooky? Glue dots are the best, but if you have just regular Elmer's glue, that's fine too. You can use the white side as your eyes or the black side. It's up to you. On this plate, we used white with black pupils, and then this side, we used black with white pupils. So it's up to you, however you want to do it. Thank you. You're welcome. We would love to see your creations, your pumpkin faces. Please take a picture after you've done this craft and show us what yours look like. I'm sure they're going to look amazing. Do you guys decorate your house a lot for Halloween? We certainly do, because we love Halloween. We decorate the windows, the lawn, everything that we can decorate, we decorate. It's a fun time of year. Also, if you want to tell us what you're going to dress up for this year, like what are you going to wear as a costume? Casey went out many times for Halloween. Can you remember what your costumes were?
I did a hula girl.
Mm-hmm.
I did a witch.
You were M&M one year.
I did a cheerleader. I did Amelia Earhart.
That was a good costume. That was a lot of fun.
A taco.
Yep.
A ketchup bottle.
A ketchup bottle, yep.
A dinosaur.
Mm-hmm. And Miss Casey is going to be working at the Ludington Library on Halloween, and she's going to be dressed up in costume if you want to come by and see her. And if you want to come in costume, she might even have like a little treat there for you. And you can trick or treat in the junior room. But that's up to you. But we would love to see you in costume if you want to come by the library and show us what you're going to dress up as. It'll be a nice change from last year. Hopefully you'll get lots of goodies when you go out trick-or-treating. Ooh, boogie. Look, boogie. I always get confused with the mouth though. Like, should I make it like teethy? Should I make it smiley? A little bit of both. Let's see. You can make it. Sometimes you make the mouth look scary. Sometimes you make the mouth look happy. It's up to you. You can even make your pumpkin look like a clown, right? Or like a ghost. Use your imagination. Get crazy. You can make them look goofy too. Like I said, use whatever you have lying around the house. Construction paper, felt, but you need those glue dots or glue to make it work. All right. Awesome. So you're going to decorate both plates with a face. Okay. And once you're done that, I'm going to make this look really fast, like a mouth. You're going to staple the two plates together, but you're going to cut off the tops so that they're flat on top. So you're going to cut the plates evenly, but you're going to make them flat at the top. And then we're going to staple them together. So you also need a stapler. Did we say stapler in the beginning? I don't think we did. You need a stapler. And you're going to staple the plates together. All right, so we've got a face. Got some eyes. I'm going to use the white side on these. Halloween's so much fun. There's so many craft suits you can do for Halloween. You can make paper bats, paper pumpkins, paper cats. A lot of great crafts. Don't forget to look back on our videos on lmls.org and on Facebook and on YouTube. You can look back at our videos from last year and see what we did last year for Halloween, because we did some fun things last year too. You can always revisit our videos on Facebook or on YouTube. Don't forget, Casey and I are doing local haunted family trivia in what, 2 weeks? And that's gonna be a lot of fun. We're gonna dress up. We want you guys to dress up. And we're gonna ask you questions about local attractions and give you some hints and see if you can name them.
We're done. I gotta make a mouth.
Okay. So when you're done your faces, one for each side, you're going to put them back to back. And you're just going to cut straight across the top of the plates, just about half an inch down. to make them flat at the top. Make sure you cut off at the top of your faces, not the bottom. So they're going to look flat at the top. And you're going to put them together. And match them up. You might have to push them straight a little bit. You're going to get a stapler. You're going to staple the left side and then the right side so that they're even. Then, see, and then they roll. Ooh. Then you're going to make a stem. Now you can make a stem out of the rim of the black paper plate like we did here, or you can use felt like we did here and make a little stem. It's up to you, whatever you have lying around. Just remember it is two-sided, so if you do from your paper plate the black stem, you're going to have to do it again on the other side. Staple them together. So that's up to you. You can also use my trick and fold the paper plate and then make your stem so you have one stem that looks alike on both sides. Like this. And you're going to shove it in the middle here between the two plates and staple it. And there you have it. Roly-poly Halloween decorations
Can I have the stapler, please?
plates. Yes, you may.
Thank you.
Ooh. They can sit on a windowsill, on a desk, on a dining room table as a centerpiece. They're a lot of fun to make. Ooh. That looks good. There you go. Nice. Nice. We want to wish everybody a very happy Halloween. We hope you enjoyed our craft. Please tune in and watch us do local haunted trivia night, Saturday night at 8 p.m. Check the lmls.org calendar for future events at all 6 Lower Merion libraries. Happy Halloween, everybody.